Lesson 27. See you later. Text 1. About me. New words in this text. Here, as well. To know. Of course. For example, there. Don't forget. Excuse me. See you later. Hi, I'm Sevak. I'm a teacher. I live in Yerevan. The weather is good here in summer. I can speak 5 languages: Armenian, Russian, French, English, and Spanish. I speak a little Hebrew as well. Do you know how to say I love you in Hebrew? In my free time, I enjoy watching old videos on YouTube. I am a YouTuber, so of course, I also make videos on YouTube. I go to many places in summertime. For example, I go to parks and enjoy the sun there. Sometimes I travel to Georgia. If you go to Georgia, don't forget to try Georgian khachapuri. When I want to take khachapuri, I say, "Excuse me, can you please give me 1 khachapuri?" Then I take my khachapuri and say, "Thank you, see you later." Text 2. A conversation over the phone. New words in this text. Conversation. Here, when talking on the phone. All right. Well done. Don't worry. That's fine. I have 8 students now. We talk about many different things. I have very interesting conversations with my students. One day my student Anna calls me. This is our conversation. Hello? Hello, Anna here. Oh, Anna, hi. How are you? I'm all right. Thanks for asking. I got my visa and I will go to the Netherlands soon. I'm so excited. Well done. That's great news. I'm very happy for you, dear. I would like to see you before going to the Netherlands. Can we do that? Oh, sure. Don't worry, we'll do that. How about Monday 7 p.m.? That's fine. See you soon. See you soon. Exercise 1. Drag and drop the words. Now we have the words here. So first, hello, Arthur. Arthur here. Arthur, all right. Don't forget, no conversation. See. So this is a phone call. Hello, Arthur. It should be here. Okay, Arthur here. It is late. What do you think? Which one is correct? All right, it is late. I don't forget it is late. I know it is late. Conversation, it is late. I see it is late. Yeah. So you need to drag and drop the words like this. Okay. And if you want to do this exercise, you just need to pay me for subscription so that you can do the exercises. Okay. Exercise 2. Write the correct answers. Use these words and phrases. Here, there, of course, excuse me, for example, see you later, don't worry. And again, let's do the first one. Dear guests, welcome to Yerevan. You will drink nice wine and eat good food. I would say here in Yerevan. Yes, here you will drink nice wine and eat good food. You will also see beautiful places. What do you think? There you will also, of course, you will also, excuse me, you will also, So you need to write the correct answer. What do you think? Which one is correct? Write down in the comments. And exercise 3, write a story. Use these words and phrases. Well done, fine, or that's fine. As well, don't forget, don't worry. All right. Conversation. Of course. For example, let me give you an example. Still, we have an example already. Linda, don't worry about me. I'm all right. Yes? 2 words in 1 sentence. All right. and don't worry. Now I'll give another example. Hi, Melissa. I'm fine. How are you? And I can click check. Yes, I got 1 point because I used one word from this list, fine. Yes, if I write more and use more words, I will get more stars. Okay, so this is part of my curriculum or full lesson plan course of English for beginners. We start with the alphabet and slowly we learn English. Okay, most of the content at first is in Armenian, but I help my students and we have exercises which are, for instance, this CPG. Which one is correct? CPG. Yes. CSV. CSV. Let's say I choose this one. No, CSV. Okay, so we have exercises like this, and everyone can do these. Okay, if you're interested, send me a message. Okay, I teach English, French, Hebrew, philosophy, sexuality, and other subjects, chess, etc. Thank you for being with me. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and you can also donate. High five and see you next time. Bye bye.